All right, welcome everyone, people in the free group and paid group. I appreciate you guys watching this. I'm going to be doing these weekly. I'm going to be doing two. I'm going to have one for the free group members. We're going to be analyzing charts and trades that I took the previous week, trying to figure out what setups and things that I saw while using my script and in conjunction of what I use to trade. And then I'm also going to have a another recording, and it's going to be trades that I will be taking, and that's going to be for the paid members. If you haven't been to the site, it is gealgo.com. You scroll all the way down to the bottom and you'll see the two different packages that we have. So let's jump on to Tradingview where the script is. I'm hiding the script right now just so you can see what I was looking at when I was looking at the British pound and Japanese yen. So when I was looking at the trades, I took this long position here and clearly uptrending. So what I did was, before I even used the script, I figure out kind of where the trend is going. And before this move happened, I already had the downtrend here. I was waiting for price action to break this zone before going long. So I was waiting. I was being patient before going long on GBP JPY. Throw the candles back on, and then you throw the script on. So if you weren't doing any technical analysis on this trade, we still took the buy signal on November 17th at around 166.1, and you could have taken it all the way here. This was the last area of kind of support and resistance zones. So I took the buy position around this area, and then I added to it around here once price broke and retested. And then again, if you're just using the script to take these trades, buy signal comes out, you get it push notification to your phone. And if you do miss it, just wait for a retest. The purple zone line that keeps moving upwards, if price action's above the purple area EMA, wait for a retest, then go long, retest, go long. And again, it's testing the trend line again. Before going short, we have a rejection here, retest again, and then it doesn't break and make a new high. Doesn't break this area, so I was looking for a potential sell. You have multiple rejections here. Analysis with the script came in perfectly with the short signal. Broke, and again, if you miss it, just wait for a retest. Wait for a retest and price to reject and catch it on the way down again. Trend did break again, miss it, wait for the retest. We're still in a short. Again, if you miss this, don't try to come in on the short here or here. Just wait for the next signal to come up. You don't want to rush these trades. Again, to add push notifications to your phone, if they're not getting pushed through the Discord, you're going to go up here, click alerts, condition, click the algo, and we have the buy, the SB meaning super buy, then we have the sell, and then we have the SS super sell. You want to do buy, open per bar close. Sometimes if you have it once or opened, you'll have a false signal. So you do want to make sure it's once per bar close. You set the alert name that you want, buy GJ or GJ, GBP, JPY, buy GJ, and then you set it, and then it'll get push notification to your phone. This works for if you have the Pro Plus on Tradingview. If you're using the free version of Tradingview, you will get the push notifications to Discord starting next week. And again, this is for the paid members. For the push notifications, this is how I set up for GBP JPY. So currently, it's going to consolidate a little bit. We have some of area of rejection here and here. Price could move sideways. Again, I wouldn't enter this trade right now if you did miss the short here. Could move up to the upside, so I would hold off on it. Other trades I took was Aussie dollar. So I'll post it in the group as well. I actually did the trade replay. The screenshot is probably going to show this right here. This is before any of this ever happened. These will stay the same. I was looking at it before the signal. Again, I want to help you guys and teach you guys what to look for, and anticipate, and see where the market is moving. The script is a tool. It should be used. Again, you miss it, you don't want to take trades blindly. You miss the short here, and then you enter here, you're going to be in a drawdown for a retest and then continuation. Again, draw your trend lines, breaks it, consolidates, and then moves up. Doesn't make a new high, starts moving to the downside. Again, you miss this trade right here on the sell signal, wait for a retest, and then take the short. You miss it, do not take short sells at the bottom of a run. Do not take buys when at the peak of one. So just be patient. It's better to take a trade and or sit on your hands when you're not feeling rushed or feel like you missed out. Again, if this scenario happened, I would be looking for trades on the trend line for shorts. I'm not going long. I'm not entering buy positions. It is a downtrend. I am looking for rejections of the zone for the short sells. So let's see. All right, we push play. Supercell comes out. You would have got push notification on here, and then you could have made pips here or kept your short positions if you got in, or if you got in here, it's a better entry than this one. If the bar candle closed, your short signal would have been here. You would have been in drawdown. Again, just wait for rejections if you miss it. Price is here. Again, you missed the short positions, wait for a retest. So this is what I saw here. I saw that there was a rejection here. If you want to take the short, you can, but put your stop losses above this trend line, because if price breaks above this trend line, like I mentioned here, it's going to go up, retest, and then continue upwards. Price breaks above it, your stop loss would have been hit, but at least you can avoid the continuation of the uptrend. Buy signal comes out, it's coming back down. Retest here. Again, retest. Now you can enter your long position. You had your buy signal, you missed it, or you want to be more conservative. Wait for the retest and now enter your long position. Still moving up. If you waited for your retest, I do encourage all of you to put your take profits at break even, or just move your stop losses up a little bit, because price can reject back down. It could be a false breakout and start moving to the downside. Again, we're using the 1 hour. Higher time frames are going to be stronger indications. I saw price breaking here. Why I assumed that was because you had the gap of price here. You see a gap in price, usually from what I've seen, is price is going to come back to close this zone. So if that's all this was doing, then this will be a false breakout on the buy for the gap of to be filled, and it's moving up to the upside. Cool. So current price is, 0.67. If you did go long here or entered here, what I think is going to happen, you're going to have some consolidation, in these areas, and see where price is going to go. You can play off of it. This area right here as well. It's going to be another one. Just be mindful of where you're entering your position. You can use the script. I encourage it. Again, it gives you an indication of where the trend is going, what it could possibly do, but be conservative. Be conservative on your trades. Where you make your money is when you have those long runs, where you have those massive runs. Made money on the Aussie dollar here as well. You enter the long here and then you hold it. Sell, long, short sell. Now you have a buy. It's going to be consolidating for a bit. But again, just be mindful of the lot sizes that you do use because of drawdown. If you're using the institutional blocks, you do see institutional buyers here creating some support. So price rejected, bounce off of this and continued upwards. You're going to have some resistance here. Um, Unintentionally followed the institutional block when I put the line. Again, it's just resistance, close of the gap, another rejection here. You're going to have institutional sellers right here. So again, you're going to have price here, here. We're going to see what Aussie dollar is going to do until we have some clear direction. I'm going to wait until price comes back up to around my original buy position. I'll close out half of it, and then I'll put some stop losses, below here or below here, just because I want to protect the downside. But at least if it runs up and breaks this zone, we have some clear upside. So that's my analysis for GBP, JPY, Aussie dollar. I'll see you guys in the Discord. And then please, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. And yeah, thank you for being a part of this.